of ZPQ. There is no x, there is no y, there is no z. The function contain only ZPQ. Then what you will write? Z is equal to f of u, where u is equal to x plus ky. Immediately the transform become p is equal to dz by du, q is equal to a into dz by du. Go back and substitute it there. You will get in terms of equation ODE dz by du into something in terms of z and u. In terms of z and u, if you get me what already variable separable method already on the test level you have done or not? Dz is where is the dz? All functions you can bring one side. Where is the du? All functions you can bring that. Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. You will get the solution. This is the way of doing. Come on fast. One or two problems we do. Take. Copy that. Yes. See, 3D also. Each one row, one student also can see. One fan, no fan, no fan. Bring one is fan, artificial. Now we see 9 PQ z to the power of 4 into 1 plus z cube. Z cube bar is z cube whatever okay. Now looking this what you understand, this is type what? 3. Type 3 or you can call it f of ZPQ. Don't tell type 1, type 2, type 3. This type is what? F of ZPQ. Correct or not? Now solution, how can you write? Let solution is equal to z is equal to f of u like that. Z is equal to f of u. Sir, am I audible, sir? Online students. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Z is equal to f of u, where u is equal to x plus a implies p is equal to dz by du, q is equal to a into dz by du. P is equal to what? Now go back and substitute it slowly. What you will get? P is equal to dz by du, q is equal to, in equation 1 you can substitute d is what? P is equal to dz by du, q is equal to a dz by du. In given problem you can substitute what you will get, tell me? 4pq. Who is p? dz by du. Q is what? Substitute it slowly. 9pq. 9pq. Substitute what you will get? 9 into dz by du. 9 into dz by du, then q is what? A into dz by du, correct? Into z to the power of 4 is equal to what? 4 into 1 plus z cube. Am I correct or not? Now dz by du into dz by du become what? Okay. Don't go p again. P are substituting dz by du correct only. But dz by du into dz by du is equal to what?
dz by du
whole square. Correct? Now can I write 9a dz by du whole square? This also I will bring this after that we will see. Z cube by 4. Any doubt? Now what you will do? That square also you can take the square and taking root both sides. So what you will be taking both sides means 9a also if you want you can take that side. Correct? Shall I about this side? dz by du whole square is equal to 4 by 9a 1 plus z cube divided by z power 4. Am I correct? Yes. Take the square root both sides. That's where I want to remove. I want to tell you dz into some function of z, du into some function of u. I want to tell you. So for that I want to remove the square also. So power raising of both sides, or we can take that to whatever we can say there. So now dz by du is equal to what? 4 by 9 is 3 by, sorry, 2 by 3. Root a
under root 1 plus z.
1 plus z cube by
Z square.
now I want to variable separately. Where is the dz into function of z can bring? Where is the du? Okay, so du I will take that side, z functions I will bring this side. Correct? Now what I will get?
Z square by
Dz
1 plus z.
if you want even 3 also you can bring this side. Correct? What? Read out. 3 I am taking this side. Dz, good. We see. Thank you. Okay. Now integrating both sides. What you will get? Now 3z square the root of 1 plus z cube is what you will get, tell me. Are you okay, ma? Why? I'm not feeling well. Yeah? Can you want? That's a modest.
So I can, like, when I go to
I also tested everything in my body. All disease in my body here. I'm surviving like that. Now, okay, yeah. Other go outside, wash and come. I also tested everything. So wake up, get up 9, 20, 30 series, I will get a room change dismiss from this room to another room. But I'm living with the dust please. My job is only okay. I will where I get my food. Okay, yeah. Now, tell me, 3z square the root of 1 plus z cube integration is what? Sit freely, this side also can sit. Air will come.
1 plus z cube, you can take as t square.
T square.
Substitution we can 3z square dz will be dt. 3z. Final answer will be root 1 plus z cube is equal to u by root x.
Correct. But actually integration you have 3 formulas always you can remember. These 3 if we have we can escape 99% substitution. Why I will tell you. Integral now. Function of x its derivative means log f of x you can write blindly. Don't substitute it 1 by f of x is t, then f dash is equal to dt by t is equal to log t where t is equal to f of x. If you substitute you will get, or you can write this. Correct? Suppose if you see. If you want you can substitute x square plus 1 is equal to t to x d is equal to dt, then dt by t log t you will get. But you see up it's what? F dash x by f of x. Directly can get log f of x. Answer is what? Log f of x. And another fellow is there. Remember this formula is very, very important. If you want, you can note down. Integral f dash x by f of x dx equal to log plus c. Correct? Suppose integral function power nx its derivative means function power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Suppose sin power 8x cos x dx. So here sin is function, power is 8. Put sin x is equal to dx means what? Cos x dx equal to d means t power 8, you will get t power 9 by 9 equal substitution. No need to substitution. Function power n, its derivative means function power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So answer is what? Tell me.
Sin power 9x.
Sin to the power of 9x by 9 plus. That is exponent formula, guys. Exponent formula. And another formula is there. 1 by root x integration is what? Tell loudly. 2 root x. Hey.
2 root x.
Clear. No doubt. I don't know. You are telling I am trusting you. Correct ஆ இருக்குமா? கரெக்டா இருக்குமா? F dash x root of fx means now 1 by root integration what you are telling?
2 root x.
If you remember these three formulas, maybe you will escape 50% of substitutions. Minus d, you know that. In mathematics, where we don't know, just you can write we know that. The teacher will know. Correct? If you don't know means what, write we know that. Formula you can write. Actually, you don't know. The teacher will take care. Any formula you don't know means what, we know that. This formula is equal to this. Enough. Correct? Now from this you can tell actually integrating both sides if I do, right, integrating on both sides. So what? Shall I remove this formula?
Yes.
Shall I remove?
Yes, sir.
That is f dash x by f of x equal to log f of x, function power n x into f dash x is that function power n plus 1 by n plus 1, f dash x by root of f of x equal to 2 root f of x. These three numbers you can remember. Correct? Now integrating on both sides, what I will get? Integral of 3z square root of 1 minus z cube dz is equal to integral of du by du 2 by root a. Correct? Now this is what? F dash x by root of f of x is what? Derivative is 0. So directly I will get 2 root. If you want, you can throw out. If you cancel 2 means what? Let C we can write as a C dash. Otherwise, leave as it is. This is what?
See,
Complete integral. Now we have to write, still a problem is not completed. What do you want to write? Single integral they are not discussing this part as you can leave it. Forget about it. Single integral somewhat tedious you will get actually. But they are not doing only simply is a complete integral rating. Single integral tedious. A function maybe C will contain some function object that they are not discussing. But still problem completed. Because I introduced myself. So I want to remove or not. My work is always ask them to get out. So who is you?
x plus a.
Substituted this. So see. So Suppose if you bring z is equal to something means what you get something, so that is not discussing. It's somewhat tedious. You can leave it. Okay, next you can take. Clear? Just to see, don't worry about essay. They are not discussing. But you will get essay here. We are not discussing. Because if you want to bring mass x2 square in that is side again whole square, z is equal to whole power 1 by 2. If you expand this, you will get somewhat tedious. There is, you can get, but it's somewhat tells you that they are stopping actually. Can we do another problem?
Yes.
What is 12.6? Login item, huh? Supriya, login item, yeah. Oh. Next. Z square is equal to 3 square plus q square plus 1. This is the type is what? F of ZPQ. Type is what? Now immediately what you will write? Z is equal to F of U is solution. Where U is equal to what? X plus AY. From this what I will get? P is equal to what? Q is equal to what? These are all steps you can write for every problem. This is f of ZPQ. Solution Z is equal to f of U, where U is equal to x plus AY. Then P is equal to dz by du. Q is equal to A into dz by du. Go back and substitute in equation Z square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 1. What will you get? P square is what, sir? P square what?
dz by du
Whole square.
a square plus
A square into
a square plus
whole square. Plus
plus a square
A. Correct? Huh? Take the square root on both sides. Then what you will get? dz is dz by root of z square minus 1 is equal to du by root of, correct? So integrating on both sides. Integral dz by root of z square minus 1 is equal to integral du by root of 1 plus a square. Integral dz by x square minus a square formula is what? Root without root means x by a, okay. What is formula? Any online students?
cos
Integral of dx by root of x square minus a square. What? Sin h inverse x is equal to what? Tell me, explain me. Sin h inverse is equal to what? You will write in inverse functions already studied hyperbolic function. Sin h inverse x is equal to what? Log x by root of x square plus a square. Correct? Sin h inverse x. And another fellow is what? Sin h inverse x told. Another fellow is what? Hey, try another way. Sorry, no problem. This time telling, don't worry. Tan okay. Then sin jodi, another sin friend is what? Who is sin friend? You told her.
What is it cos?
Cos, but I am not listening. You are not tell loudly. Cos h inverse x formula is what? Log of x plus root of x square minus x square. The same formula you will write in plus 2 level. Log of x plus root of x square minus a square. But you can write cos h inverse x by a. Now in standard, higher standard, you know, this is nothing but what? Cos h. Suppose the same fellow root of x square minus a square is what you will do? X by 2 into same thing minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse x by a. X by 2 into same thing plus a means plus a square by 2 minus a means minus a square by 2. If it is down, what is there? That formula will come. Correct or not? Am I confusing? Formulas you should remember, no way. It should be in fingertips. Lifelong you should remember. Anyway it will come. Third semester fully integration only. Then you can write, if suppose you can write dx square root of x square minus a square equal to what? Cos h inverse. Cos h is one term, don't separate. Hyperbolic function. This is called infinite exponential function. Sin cos tan is what? Circular function. If you rotate 360 degrees, same value will be. Hyperbolic not like this. Exponential, up to infinity it will go. You cannot stop. So this is called hyperbolic function. Sin cos tan are what? Circular functions. Only if you round 360 degrees, same fellow will come after 360. Certain. Root of a square plus x square is what? Now tell. Sin you said, you know what is formula? Sin h inverse. The same problem that you may study in plus 2 level. Log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Both are same. Then this fellow at least tell. Don't tell wrong answer. 1 by root of a square minus x square is what? What? Phone on. Phone coming, huh? Please tell me. Emergency call. Then keep inside phone. If you keep outside, only you know whether call coming or not. Now no, you don't know. Now root of a square minus x square is what? No. Correct. Tell. Hey, tan and go wrong. Tan 1 by x square plus a square. Sin inverse of x by a. Okay, yeah. Never? Plus c. Suppose it's different integral means you don't write. Why I will tell you that plus c story after that. If it is limit c means what? Don't do the plus c. Otherwise you have to write plus c. Why I will tell you after that the story. Why you are writing c. It's okay, yeah. Now come on. Now we can tell all tan fellows. Your friend this fellow always will come. Now tan is come, are not happy or not? 1 by a. Now only stop. 1 by x square minus a square is what? Kata. 1 by 2a log of 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a by x plus a by x minus a by. Last plus a or Super. அது கரெக்ட் தான் பட் முன்னாடி சொல்லு. Tell. After I writing you will tell I told you solids. Now I don't write now. You tell. I never write after you tell I write now. Okay. Now this formulas you can complete as a formula. One by 2a log of x plus a by x minus x a minus x by a plus x. Just you can see. Numerator is denominator is what you can find out. Google it.
Minus a by x minus a by x plus.
This is then a plus x by a minus x. Come on. Integration formula can 1 by x square minus a square integral of you can calculate. Okay, time I shut on this class. Again I have class. 12. You have class up to 27. Yeah, also correct. I think this is x minus a by x plus a. Integral of you can write integral of 1 by x square minus a square you can type it. Got it? Huh? I think x minus a by x plus a correct only. One by 2a plus x by a minus x. Got it?
X minus a by x plus a.
Then this a plus x by a minus x. You told that? So you are not trusting yourself then, that is the problem. X minus a, I know that x minus a by x plus a, because x should be always positive numerator. That is the rule. X minus a by x plus a, but don't write x plus a. What is x square minus a? So for same thing you can write, but this you can reversely can write. This is one formula. But same formulas, 1 by root of x square minus a square, these three formulas are very important. Correct? X minus a x plus 1. Because I don't want to give wrong answer. Okay. Now come on. These 9 formulas are very important. Suppose if you know this means what, this is answer is what now tell me. This answer is what?
Cos h inverse
Z is equal to u by root of 1 plus a square plus c. That is the CA. Complete integral you can write. But formulas you can write up here is okay. Then this solution I will write again. This after that I will come formulas write. Cos h inverse z is equal to what?
x plus a by.
That is u by first you can write. Where u is equal to x plus a by, that is a complete integral. Correct? Okay. Now shall I go? Copy it on fast. Sir, copy that. Formulas of the diagram, please make it useful. Because everywhere it will come. 1 by a square plus x square minus a square plus root plus means sin h inverse. X square minus a square is cos h inverse. But a square minus x square equal 1 no, sin inverse x square. Sin inverse derivative is what? 1 by root of x square minus x square and not. That only. Integration means what? Taking answer to derivative, we get the question. Anti-differentiation. It's called integration. But subject-wise, integration born first. After 50, 70 years, they found the differentiation. After 150, 70 years, they linked both our relations. Integration is now. Everything without integration cannot survive. Hey, today 6 members are attended. Sir, 9 is there in online? 9. Hello? Sir, online 9 is there? Name is what? Suffix side is there. On net option today, yesterday I put the option, now he is there in, but not live. Computer is live. What can I do? Tell me. With pain, I am taking class. Okay. Come on, complete it. Now come on, this you can remember 1 by a square plus x square means 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, 1 by x square minus a square means 1 by 2a log of x minus a x plus a square minus x square means a plus x by a minus x. Correct? Now, this formula now you can tell me, integral of root of x square minus a square dx. This how you will write x by 2 same fellow, x by 2 same fellow, a square plus or minus you can see. Plus a square or minus a square?
Plus a square by 2.
Minus a square.
Plus or minus?
Minus or plus?
Hey, plus or minus you can tell me. What is there, plus or minus?
Minus.
Same.
No, I am not asking what you want to write. There, what is there, plus or minus?
Minus.
Enough. Stop. Don't do anything. Here minus means you can write minus a square by 2. If it is down means who will come? 1 by root of x square minus a square means who will come? Formula. Plus up. Now come on, tell me this immediately. Singing like a song actually. X by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sin x inverse x by a. Wow. Now come on, tell me. This you can tell fast. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. Over. Formula only life, sir. I will tell you one story. Suppose your time is over, your chapter is closed. Within 5 seconds, you are going to die. Okay, 5 seconds are there. Listen, all of you. If I come and ask, tell me formula means what? Tell the formula and you die. Suppose if I ask to do the problem means what? First you can kill me, then you can die. So formula means what? Before 5 seconds die also, I will want formula. If I give the work means immediately tell, hey, already 5 seconds I am going to do. Why are you talking? You can start me first. I will die. Then you can die. Correct? So formula means what you will do? If you die also, I need what? Formula. If I ask to do the problem means what you will do? Kill me. Correct or not? That is the way. So always you can remember the formula. Why I am telling is what formula you never forget in lifelong. If you complete B also, formulas don't forget. That is the life. Okay, sir. Then I will stop here. Next class again when we have? Tomorrow? Not tomorrow. Day after 5, 9:45. Can you come earlier actually up to 9:45 exactly? You have any class morning?
Yes.
8 to?
9:40.
8 to 9:40 you have,
Yes, Guruji.
At least 5 minutes late, okay? Huh? But better you can come because with that 2 hours class is no problem. You will come directly here. Sir, online students, when you are coming here, are you coming or not?
Sir, I am coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow, very good, nice. Then remaining people 4. Hey, he left up.
Sir, I'm coming next week.
Next week you are coming, very good. Next, Rishabh.
Next week, sir.
You also next week. You?
Yes, sir. By next
All are
Thursday or
coming.
Friday, sir.
Then that fellow Karni Samustapha is there, is coming. What is name? Karni Shekhawat coming.
Yes, sir.
So all
Sir,
are
by-
coming happy.
By 3rd or
Plus
5th
two.
of October.
Next week you are coming. When
Sir,
you
by
are
3rd
coming?
or 5th of October.
3rd or 5th. Okay, okay. At least if you come means what, I can take directly classes. I come there also. No problem. But I have to steps climbing. That's what I'm doing. At least I want to take 3 months rest operated fully. That's what I'm waiting. Otherwise I can come there. Okay. Hey, again is up in missed.
That's the meeting.
He left actually. Whether I want to do that place or not.
When he comes, then he meet him.
No, if I give continuous labs in terms of detail will come. You cannot write exam. Again, I have to answer. Why you are not called? Why you are not informed to their parents?
Anyway, they are not getting attendance online.
Like that.
Because they haven't been enrolled, sir.
No, they don't get. If you put the full attendance also absent only, then okay, happy. Then okay, leave. Sir, okay, sir. Better if people come sir here, you will enjoy campus and you can class also. Okay, bye.